Whenever you terminate stranded cable and you terminate it off, but then you've got the spray, and you think sometimes it just doesn't go into the terminal properly. So you give it a twist and it still gets one strand not in there properly. Well, that one strand can still cause a problem. So how are you going to solve that problem? You're going to use ferrules. For a number of jobs, this tool is going to come in handy. It's a crimping tool for ferrules at the end of the cable. It comes in a nice little kit, which is spot on because these do get loose sometimes. So this, where you just crimp your ferrules perfectly on a ratchet, nice and easy. And if I just show you what it comes in here, all different size cables. So in this one, I'll show you exactly what it does. It'll fit in there. So let's do it this way. Fit in there and crimp it to the perfect size cable. Look, as tight as it can be. That one is obviously ruined now. Get rid of that. But then, for this cable, we're going to want, I would say, the grey ones. So if we get this on it, it's got like a little bucket to collect all the strands. Push it right down in there. And then straight on. There we go. And chop the end of it off to make it nice and neat. And that will be so much easier to get into your terminations. It doesn't come off. And then also, sometimes you might not want that grey bit on there. So what I find is a good idea is to give it a little twist. Get the crimping tool on the cable already. And then get all the strands in, get that on, and then you can crimp the cable just like so, and then crimp this as well, because then it'll just come off. And then you have your termination, and you can terminate that. That is without the little grey plastic bit on, because sometimes terminals don't need, well, a better fit basically without that little grey bit. It does get in the way, but it does help putting it on normally. And the great thing is, in this little pack, it comes with a bit of a guide. 4mm, 2.5, 1.5, 1mm, and it even goes down to 0.5mm for your finer little cables.